Joining us now, Jessica Reif Ehrlich, Senior U.S. Media and Entertainment Analyst at BofA Securities. They almost closed down the patent office in 1850, Jessica, because there were no more inventions to be made. There's no more media mergers. It's all been done. No?
No, we know that. Of course, it's not over. I mean, it always feels like this is just the beginning. Warner Discovery is, it was a surprise where Warner wound up, but it's clear they will be involved, whether they buy something or they eventually get bought. There's just the ball has started rolling again.
There is a lot left there. That I guess there were a lot of patents that still to be had after the 19th century. So Viacom, what about Fox? What's Fox supposed to do at this point?
You're naming all the names. So Fox can go either way. They've chosen to go live sports, live news, soon weather, and they can either buy something. They have an amazing balance sheet. They've invested in sports betting, which was obviously a really good move, good timing. But they could also easily be broken up. It's small enough to be broken up in pieces. And you mentioned Viacom. Our private market value for Viacom is $70, way above where the stock is. And they too, are they big enough to be a scale player? Probably not. Do they get bought in whole? Do they get bought in pieces? Or do they try to stay independent and maybe buy something? There's loads of tiny little companies that are, cable network companies that still are around.
You got, I think of Comcast, Disney, and I guess you throw Discovery in there now, don't you, in some way? But I'm hoping we get great content somehow from all this, because I still can't find anything to watch. Right.
So I mean, the great news about the old-time Warner is that AT&T decided to sell before it was too late, meaning before it was not run as well as it could be. And we all know what a great operator David Zaslav is. So under his leadership, once they close, and under his leadership, there's going to be a lot of heavy lifting, fixing some of the mistakes that were made. And then and they'll deliver pretty quickly. So they definitely can go either way. But Discovery doesn't change the dynamic of an independent Warner Media. So it still could be bought. It could be bought by Comcast. It could be bought by a FANG company. The amazing thing about Comcast is that anything they buy, they don't need to buy. It would be nice to buy. They can scale up. Peacock will go global. So anything they buy can be used on a global basis, but they have other assets. They have theme parks. So a lot of the content, if they buy something else, can be used across all of their assets. They can leverage an acquisition more than, say, Amazon can with MGM. There's more they can do with it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.